What's this number here? And today we're gonna be buying this new gun. I heard that Robox.
What?
It said Robux.
Why
do you even?
What is a blue?
Oh, now I get it. So, what the pistol? Yep, got that. Okay. This is war. This is madness. War, madness. It's war and madness at the same time.
Tell me which one is it?
Which one is it?
Stop it.
Stop it! Oh man.
Which one is it?
I don't know. Isn't this place supposed to be? Oh, whatever.
How do you win?
I don't know. What's this?
I'm going to play a Robox about EXE.
Okay, okay. We're just gonna hide in fog. I do not see any fog.
Hola, ay, qué guapos andan. ¿Por qué andan tan guapos?
So here's the giant meteor giant. Say hello to Meteor Godzilla. Oh, now I see the fog. That's the fog. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go with the beam. Oh my goodness. What the heck is going on? Oh man. Oh man. I hate it when I lose. I hate losing. Those meteors are so useless. What's the dream? Where is the revenge? Oh, there he is. Take that. Dang it. Take this. Oh, dang it. Oh. Oh my goodness. Stop it. Stop it. Dude, you. I hate you.
It's because of this.
Take this. Meteor Giant is always one of the worst. He will never be. He's one of the worst monsters ever. Oh, gotta go fast, boom, boom. You're not gonna fall. Oh man. Don't stop it. Oh, look what you made me do. He's gotta be around here somewhere. I hate giants. I hate all of you. Except players. Giants? Seriously. Everyone hates you. Finally. And it took like lots of minutes. Man, holy, they got cash. Can I please get Robux? What the? Death? What does it do? What? Ooh, playground. Let's go play the playground. Want to? Oh, nobody wants to. Okay. 25 seconds to prepare. Okay. I just. Let's see what giant gets in my way. Yeah, I'm mixing that. Oh. I think he got mad. Oh my gosh, he got mad at me. I think he got mad at me. Still there. Take that. Where is he? There he is. That large head tells me that he's there. Oh man. I think he's coming for me. Oh, he is coming for me. No. He is coming for me. Oh shoot. Yeah, whatever. Oh! Stop it! Look what you made me do. Stop it. Take this. You and your big fat legs. Okay. Wait, what? Accept. Oh, man. Oh, super parrot. Why do people want to be my friend? Minecraft. Michael. What is it gonna be? the map. City buildings. Oh, hey, I like this one. What's the chosen game mode? Okay, we gotta be fast. 25 seconds to prepare. We need like 5 floors to get through. This one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Okay, now we need 6. It was 6. Oh man. Hey, I haven't. Oh, there he is. Oh man. Ah! Ouch! Oh man. Ah! Good thing I'm off the first floor. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, he almost kissed me. Oh man. Dad, go away. Go away. Go away. Oh my goodness, he dropped me. But good thing. Because I'm far away from the giant. Stop jumping. Oh, good thing. Where is he? Okay, this is the glitch. Ouch. My health is even better than mine. I mean, my health is even better than his health. Two more days until my birthday. I wonder what I'm gonna get. I want something about Minecraft. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh hey! Ah! There he is. I got him on my target. He's my target. And I'm your target, but you are not me. I mean, I am not your target. We're almost finishing him up. We're almost finishing him up. We're finishing him up. Finishing him up. Finishing him up. Oh my goodness! How long does it take for a battle? Yes. Stop jumping. We're almost killing them, guys. Almost. Come on. You giant. You know what to make. Oh my goodness. Almost there. Come on. Giant. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Almost, almost. Come on. Yes. Okay.